Hey everybody, Heather here. Today I want to talk to you about 3 ways to help you ace your security projects. I've been in the security industry for more than 20 years, and in that time I've met a lot of security directors and managers, and they all have the same challenges. Whether their projects are across the country, across a city, across a campus, or a single building, they want those projects to be complete on time, under budget, and with high quality. And if that weren't hard enough, they're trying to also align internal stakeholders with vendors and keep everyone informed as the project progresses. The first way that we can help you ace your security project is with fast and accurate scope creation using a set of standards that you've created. From there, it's easy to drag and drop in your camera or door packages onto the floor plan, as well as show connections to hubs, panels, or switches. You are also able to look at a bill of material at any time. The automatically created project document is one click away, and it ensures that you get an apples-to-apples comparison. You can also walk the project with an iPad so that you're able to see things that you'd only see on site. Things like adding an additional device or taking a picture, so that you can capture information about additions or changes, or in this case, replacing a PTZ on the corner of a building instead of a fixed camera. All this ensuring that when it's time for the actual install to happen, the vendor technician knows exactly what you want and they're able to complete the install to your specifications. The second way that you can ace your security project is through effectively managing the installation. As you can see, we've moved our project from design to installation, and we turn everything red because nothing's been installed yet. So you can visually see what the project looks like. And just as easy as that, you can watch the project come to life. The red turned to blue as the vendor technician used the phone in his hand to easily document not only installation progress, but also images for quality control. For instance, here we're able to see the completed image of the PTZ replacement that we asked for. He can also document information such as IP address or MAC address in one convenient location. You also have the project overview report at your fingertips, letting you know the project's completion status all the way down to the device level. The installation projects page allows you to see the percent completion and progress being made on this project and any others that you're working on. And now I'm playing the role of the vendor technician. I have my phone with the SiteOwl app installed, and I can mark devices as installed and operational, as well as documenting things like login and password for the device. I can also raise a flag to let my project manager know that I have a blocker in the field or that something's not going as planned. I do that by choosing the flag in the top right corner, and I can even use talk to text. No cable has been run to this camera. It's just that easy. The third way that you can ace your security project, knowing where everything is and having an accurate inventory complete with quality control pictures all in one location. And what's better than that? A live planning dashboard so that at the click of a button, you know the age and warranty status of all of the devices in your environment. Wouldn't it be nice to also ace your next capital expenditure ask? Knowing when you need to plan to start to upgrade or refresh based on real data? Since you hung out with me this long, I'll even give you a bonus. After it's complete, you're able to aggregate all of your projects into one set of floor plans. That way, everything that's ever been installed at the location is here for you to see. Imagine having perpetually accurate as-builts. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out to learn how SiteOwl can help you and your team ace your security projects with fast, accurate scope creation, real-time installation tracking, and complete documentation via our living floor plans. Plus, we can't forget perpetually accurate as-builts. Please click the link below to learn more about these features and other ways that SiteOwl simplifies physical security system management. I look forward to talking to you soon.